Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your own photo collage using the photo collage editor maker in Android phone. So here you can start by opening the photo collage maker apps. Okay, so you need to understand that the apps contain so many ads, so you need to be patient. Here, what you need to do is click on this image collage options. Then just select the photos that you want to add into the collage. For example, I'm going to add this three photos. Click on this arrow, this blue arrow, and just wait until it's loading. And here you can choose the layout. For example, I'm going to go with this ones right here. You can adjust the ratio. This is for the IG 5:4, 3:4, 9:16. I'm going to go with a 3:4. And here you can also adjust the border color. For example, I'm going to use this orange color, and you can also adjust the padding, the size of the frame, and also the cornering. After that, you can click on the check icon, and here you can also edit it more. You can add filter, tags. You can also add a frame if you want to. For example, I'm going to add this frames right here. So there will be this like sticker like frame. You can just choose which one for your photos. And after it's done, you can click on the check icon again. You can also add sticker, draw, and add more photos if you want to. And when you're done, just click on save at the top, and your collage photo will be saved to your gallery. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.